not to miss out on the generative AI arms race, Apple announced its own suite of generative AI capabilities, Apple Intelligence. The intent in Apple Intelligence is to personalize the user's experience on their Apple devices with contextually relevant assistance. The core features and capabilities of Apple Intelligence include natural language understanding, or NLU, enabling things like automated summaries across email threads and notifications, or smart reply suggestions in mail. Custom image generation, either via Genmoji, which generates emojis based on text descriptions or photos, or through the Image Playground app. Automatic audio transcription of voice notes or phone calls, and customizable memory movies based on a prompt. Apple Intelligence is powered by multiple different technologies, including foundation models trained on the Apple AXLearn framework and even OpenAI's ChatGPT. The full Apple Intelligence experience will come to devices that have the A17 Pro or M series chips. The on-device processing architecture of these chips is what enables Apple to tap into your personal data, like photos, messages, and notes, without it leaving your device.